Kanitha wa Methodist ni kanitha ukoretwo na ndugamano cia mahinda kwa mahinda kuria miahu itiganite koretwo igiukanirira o mwahu kienda gutongoria kanitha uyu. No riu kanitha uyu koneka gukorwo kinyukitie makinya ma guthingata UIGUANO kuria githurano kia muthikabu munene MWERU gitafanitio. Isaya Deye agicagurwo ta muthikabu munene.
Presiding Bishop Deye garnered 281 votes, with his opponents Bishop Catherine Mtua getting 36 votes, while Bishop Bundi Mriti and Bishop Harrison Mwiti gathered 26 and 24 votes respectively.
Deyerio shaguritwo gatagati ka huraniri angi ni ataririo kinyaniru wa mutaratara uria uhuthikite gwika githurano giki riu akionania mwihoko munene hari gukinyanira gwa thayo.
Viongozi wamechaguliwa na sote tumeridhika. Process tulioitumia kuchagua viongozi wetu imeturidhisha sote. Methodist Church in Kenya members wamekubaliana ya kwamba tuweze kusameheana ili tuweze kuleta uwiano kwa kanisa letu.
Ningi kanitha uyu no ucagurite John Malomba ta mwandiki MUGARU, uko nake Erika Mutiweri agicagurwo ta muigi kigina.
The conference through a vote affirmed the election of Reverend Julius Ibutu and Reverend David Togonya from Uganda as the synod bishops of Mount Kenya and Uganda respectively. As a church, we congratulate and wish the new officials well and God's blessings as they assume their new roles and responsibilities.
Gucani nene koneka gukorwo yatumukire kubana na muthikabu munene wa hau kabere Joseph NTOMBURA kwaga kurekia matamu ma utongoria kuri amwe ya thikabu kanitha-ini uyu mamuorotaga ni kwiyongerera ihinda mugaru na gatiba ya kanitha.
Hata the former presiding bishop hatuna shida na yeye. We are going to embrace one another and this is extended up to him. We have no problem as a church. Reconciliation is not selective.
Ciĩgiĩ ũteti wa bũrũri, kanitha ũyũ nĩ ũmenereirie mĩrũrũngano ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabanio icigo-inĩ itiganĩte ĩgĩtongorio nĩ mwaho wa mũng'ethanĩro. Rĩu mĩrũrũngano ĩno ĩkĩgwetwo gũcokia bũrũri na thutha.
We have watched Kenyans lose lives, property and others hospitalized due to the ongoing demonstrations. As a church, we are calling for unity and peace among our political leaders.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.